Hi guys, Mr. Calhoun here. Hey, I wanted to make sure that you're staying organized in this next school year. So I highly recommend you open up your OneDrive application. If you're on an iPad, you're going to see these options, perhaps, especially this plus. You're going to see it down here somewhere in this bottom center area. If you're going through a browser on a MacBook like I am right now, you can just do it through Chrome. Uh, and in the top left corner, you're going to see a plus. Click on that plus, and you'll see that you can create a folder, upload files, upload a whole folder, create a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and so on. And you can create it right on your OneDrive, which is cloud storage. Do not save files directly on your local device. If you do that and your device fails, you're going to lose your files. So first create a folder by hitting plus and hitting folder. And as you see here, I've already created some folders for classes. Let's say I also have a math class. We can make that here, we'll go purple. And so after you create a bunch of folders for your classes, let's say here, let's do one more. Go plus, folder, and then you'll pick, let's see, what should we choose? Let's go with orange, and we'll make this, maybe I have a robotics class. Cool, we'll make that orange. Okay. So you have a folder for each of your classes. Now that you have that, let's say you need a Word document that you're going to work on for your English language arts. You're going to type something up. You can simply go to plus, open a Word document. Once that loads, you can write your paragraphs here, take some notes, etc. Right? Now you can go up here and you can rename it whatever you like. So this would be, I'll call it Calhoun VCG. And then if I hit enter, it automatically saves it. You saw it save right here. If you want to make sure it's saving in the right location, click on this green icon or green check, click on that, and you can see where it's going right here. Now, I actually don't want this to save in documents. I want it to save in my ELA file. So let's go here to the file location and let's get this where it needs to go. So right here is not where I wanted this to go. Well, actually, this is the file right here. Calhoun CG is what we called it. If that happens to you, just go here and go to move to, and then from here, you can find, so you can actually do a search instead of scrolling through here. You can actually do a search for ELA, for example. Enter. ELA created by me. Here we go. And then down here, you can just click move. Now, if I go back to my file folders, which is right here, and in my case, I put that file folder under my classes, you can see I have the ELA folder here, and there's the document that I created. Now, if I'm already in the folder, I should be able to hit plus, create a file such as this Excel spreadsheet, type, whatever's going on in that class. I can go up here, I can rename it, Calhoun CG, hit enter, it's saved. I can check to see where it's being saved, and it is an ELA, which is great. I can go ahead and close it. We can close these. Refresh this by getting out and coming back in, and you'll see my documents are nicely saved right where I want them in my classes. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful and it keeps you organized. Again, log into OneDrive, create a folder for each of your classes, save all your files there, and you won't lose anything and stay organized this year. All right. Computer guy out.